Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to write press release in Shopify. So here just in the help center you can find how to write the press release. Just simply follow these all guidelines one by one. So simply here you can find before you distribute a press release, so make sure that you reach out to press@shopify.com and let us know if you will be mentioning Shopify. Then we will need to review the release and share it with legal team. So in this way you have to inform them, and here you have to understand that press release template that is important. So simply type the headline, state, date, and your first paragraph, and after that your second paragraph, and now in the sequence how easily you can write the press release. So follow all these instructions, and at the end about your company and all the details. So in this way you can easily write press release in Shopify.